I can't cook.
I can't cook because I'm a man, and in my community, women do the cooking. This is the case in many places around the world.
But not here in the Seychelles Islands. This country has a matriarchal society where instead of women, men are the ones who cook.
Let's cook!
So it is not rare to see men in the kitchen discussing recipes,
This is typical Seychellois.
setting up the table, and cooking food.
This is salted fish.
And it is not rare to see women doing other household work, looking over the men, or complimenting them.
I smell.
Everybody needs to see this because in the Seychelles, the people figured out how to balance housework between women and men.
Food is ready!
Here, at least in the house, there is equality.
That's 1 minute!